Living always feels strange, even if it's just a trip and you know you are coming back. My favorite part of travel, the unexpected bits. Found her on a wall in Berlin. It's time to dance. Let's go. Just me and the light backpack. Harley Davidson. Sometimes it's good to just get lost. These trash cans look like military helmets. Some people fish here. Right now, I just hope none of us going who knows where. I just need to get a little lost. Well, I'm still in East Berlin, but apparently this bus is taking me to West Berlin. I got off the bus. Now I am at the train station in East Berlin. It is 5 p.m. Now I am on the train heading to West Berlin.
Zurückbleiben bitte. Ausstieg links.
Mall of Berlin. That building is the photography museum.
While you're acting, and then see yourself, if you can see the emotion that you're trying to portray.
Meine Damen, 40.
We are passing through a wooded area in the middle of the city, heading to West Berlin. I think we have arrived. This is where we have to get off. Wannsee. Yeah. Berlin-Wannsee. The One Lake, which is located in West Berlin, next to a bus terminal. Let's go walk around the lake and check it out up close.
Nein, ja.
I'm hungry. What do they have here?
Cheeseburger. Panini, Salat, Suppe, Pasta and Pizza, Flammkuchen, Juice, Tart.
This is also Wannsee train station, built in 1927. Look inside. There are some old photos here showing this very train station. Bahnhof Wannsee. It is 8:30 p.m.
Einen Moment bitte.
Wow, look, an orange eye. It was a beautiful sunset. Let's check out the lake at night too. Alright guys, that's the end of this Berlin tour. But if you are curious, my 48-hour Berlin vlog is already up on the channel. And the journey, well, it is far from over. Wannsee, Felixbus. I'm waiting for my bus. I have a ticket for midnight at 12 o'clock. I'm heading from Berlin to Hanover. Have a great night. The bus is here, right on time. Let's go.